Hidden inside my proven top strategy, there is a simple way to build a passive profit portal using a free tool. So, inside of my affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap, I've been looking at this. And of course, it all starts with the top strategy of generating traffic to an offer and then putting people on an email list. But you can see here, I've drawn a little diagram and I've blocked off a little section that I'm now calling my passive profit portal. And there's a free tool, and I'm going to show you where you can get access to a crash course to get started with this free tool. This free tool, of course, after we pick our topic, we identify this free tool down here and it has some technology, and we just need to spend a little bit of time. And from our consistent content, when people land on our lead magnet, what we can do is we can then, of course, add them to an email list, let them know about a bonus that we're going to offer. And this bonus is a neat little hidden gem inside of System.io. Yes, there's a link in the description for System.io. So, for example, if you're over on your dashboard and you go to their marketplace and you were to pick any of these offers, you could create a bonus. And the bonus would be here under assets, and it is this little hidden gem called communities. You click on communities, you build a community. You can see I'm currently operating 2 communities right now. Both of these are paid communities, but just as easily, I could switch them to bonuses. And what you do, you have this little community, and you can see here, this is inside one of my communities called the Profit Wormhole Workshop, where we're workshopping for 30 days how to build a profitable online business. But you get people inside of these communities, and then what you have, again, if you wipe this, or let's just pause here for a second to understand, if I was to back up, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to use the proven top strategy to build a passive profit portal with the idea of the simple fact that people come from our content, they're going to see our offer on our lead magnet. What we can do is offer them up a bonus via our email list, and we can even automate this entire process. Again, going back to the tool System.io, and there's a link in the description for a crash course. And we simply start by going over to websites, clicking on sales funnels. Here on sales funnels, we're simply just going to create a funnel. And here, this is just creating a series of pages, which is one of them is going to be a squeeze page to let them know about our lead magnet. And we would just simply create that and say, okay, we'll just call this passive profit portal. And we'll say, we have a passive profit portal here, and we're going to call it number 1. And we want to build an audience. So we're going to go ahead and click save. And what's going to happen is this is going to launch, or then we're going to click here. It's going to launch the editor. Then it's just simply a matter of picking a template that they've already given you. Again, the focus here is simply just utilizing the tools and all of the features and benefits that they give you inside of this free tool, and spending the time to go, okay, let me select this one right here and just look at this and say, what do I want to do? When people land on this squeeze page, and of course, you just click edit page, then you would just edit this page. It's all drag and drop. Instead of volunteering your community, it would be something like join my passive portal, right? And then here, give them a benefit of why they'd want to provide their email. This form allows them to put their email in here. They then go on your email list. You go back to that portal and you save those changes. You go back to that portal because this is the page. You go back and you look and you say, okay, I know that from my content, they're going over to my squeeze page that we just edited. I'm going to let them know that they're going to go on my email list. Then I'm going to automate all that. I'm going to let them know that I'm giving them a bonus for either picking up the product or maybe even just for thinking about picking up the product, which is going to be my community. Again, here in the funnel list, passive profit portal number 1, all you then need to do is set up an automation rule. This automation rule is simply like this. Click here, add a rule, trigger. When this event happens, you're simply just going to say, when they subscribe to this funnel, when they raise their hand, give me their email address and say, yeah, I want to be a part of your passive profit portal. We want to add them to a community. Right here, click grant access to a community. The community one we want to grant them access to, here I have 2. You would make that your passive profit portal, Or go back and look at the marketplace. And if you were to pick one of these offers, you would name your portal, right? Something around, for example, 42 classic guitar riffs. You would create a community around classic guitar riffs here inside of System.io for free, add videos, set up live meetings, whatever you want to do, any type of information that you want to provide around this topic. And you do all that for free here inside of System.io, just like I showed you, by wiping off this and understanding that you are building a passive profit portal. And it's been hidden right here all this time inside of my proven top strategy and my 9-step roadmap to build a profitable online business. And the fact that we can start with this tool and this technology and spend the time with this free tool to build out this passive profit portal in just a few steps. And you can get started with my crash course with System.io to see exactly how you can make money with this idea and this concept of passive profit portals, and do it with System.io. Link in the description. Check it out. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.